We aren't just another machine builder. We are Beckwood. Since 1976, we have engineered, built, and serviced the world's toughest and most advanced equipment right here in the USA.
And we're just getting started.
Here at Beckwood, we don't just build presses, we engineer and deliver solutions. Solutions that are cutting edge, customized for you, and built to last. From the skies to the streets, from the battlefield to the factory floor, we solve our customers' toughest challenges. Every press we build is designed to outlast, outperform, and outwork the competition. We hold ourselves and our equipment to a very high standard, and we don't settle for anything less. From high-tonnage hydraulic presses to advanced servo-electric technology, we build machines that make manufacturing easier, faster, and stronger. We are innovators. We are builders. We are Beckwood.